Saint Glazerstien, and I have returned! All of you people that have been trying to take my place. This will never happen. I have heard about you. People like Enrique Espesos and Omar Hiroshi Bublik. You are all impersonators, and you will all burn in hell! Yes. You will burn. We will barbecue you. We will saute you, and we will fry you! And for those of you who need steak sauce while they are burning, none of you will have it. You will be tasteless. No one will want to eat you, not even Satan himself, for you are burning in hell. Saint Glazerstien has written a new book on how to cook sinners. The recipe of the day at the Church of Glazerstien. How to cook sinners' ears in lightly cooked garlic butter sauce. The most important thing, my children, is to turn it over every 6.6.6 seconds with your pitchfork. Yes, the holy pitchfork gives it its special flavor. Don't forget to do your prayers for the week. Yes, as such as follows. Just pull your right ear while shaking your hand in the flushing toilet, and do 15 Saint Glazerstiens, and your soul will be saved, at least for this millennium. My brothers and sisters, we will not go quietly into the night. We will not go out without a fight. We will survive. We will live on to fight another day. That somehow sounds familiar. Have faith in your Saint Glazerstien. He will not let you down. No. He will not run away from you. He will be there to comfort your soul, to hug your heart. He'll be there to caress your nose, to pat you on the eyebrows, yeah, to massage your cheeks. Yes, your Saint Glazerstien will be there for you. Don't forget him. Keep him in your prayer. Yeah. So, my children, I bid you a farewell until the next time that I come back from the other world. Don't lose your faith. Don't lose your power. I will be watching you.